How are you, little friends? Here comes the story of a group of poachers. You will see how our brave wild animal friends thwart their efforts. So, without further delay, let's get started.
Once upon a time, in the vast and vibrant African savanna, there lived three extraordinary friends: Ella the elephant, Rocco the rhinoceros, and Hank the hippopotamus. These three magnificent creatures roamed the plains together, each with their unique strengths and personalities. Ella was known for her gentle nature and keen intelligence. Her large ears could pick up the faintest of sounds, and her trunk could reach the highest branches of the acacia trees. Rocco, with his thick skin and powerful horn, was the protector of the group. His sharp senses and strong presence made him a formidable guardian. Hank, the jovial hippo, was the heart of the trio. His quick wit and friendly demeanor brought joy to all who crossed their path. One sunny day, as the trio was enjoying a peaceful stroll through the savanna, they stumbled upon a troubling scene. A group of poachers, led by a ruthless man named Victor, was setting traps to capture the animals of the savanna. Determined to protect their home and fellow creatures, Ella, Rocco, and Hank knew they had to act quickly. Using Ella's intelligence, Rocco's strength, and Hank's charm, the trio devised a clever plan to thwart the poachers. They lured Victor and his men away from their traps, leading them on a wild chase through the savanna. With Ella's speed, Rocco's power, and Hank's cunning, they outmaneuvered the poachers at every turn. Finally, exhausted and outmatched, Victor and his men retreated, vowing never to return to the savanna. The animals rejoiced, grateful for the bravery and heroism of their friends. From that day forward, Ella, Rocco, and Hank were celebrated as the guardians of the savanna, their bond stronger than ever. As the sun set on the African plains, the trio stood side by side, watching over their home with pride and determination. Together, they knew they could overcome any challenge and protect the beauty and wonder of the savanna for generations to come.
Friends, hope you like the story so far. I will come back soon with a new story for you. Until then, goodbye everyone.